And a very good morning from the Goldings Lodge in Monument Valley. Beautiful view from out here. Also right now there's no sun, so the mountains are not shining red. Here in the Monument Valley, there's actually a tribal park, tribal trail, something like that here that you could usually visit, take a tour, a half day or a whole day tour. But at the moment, because of COVID, those are closed. Today we'll be driving like many hours, I think 4 hours at least. So I don't know how much I'll be able to show you. There's one place where we'll be stopping this morning. See you in the north. I think it's that way actually. That's north. Hey guys, I'm really sorry. It doesn't look good today. The sun is behind the clouds, as you can see it back there, and this makes the whole scenery way too dull. Still try to capture something to show you, but it's not gonna be as epic as I'd like it to be. Sorry about that. Even though the light isn't very good, at least this view is spectacular with the road going there and the beautiful mesas in the back. It's just awesome. And it's insanely cold today. I mean, it's only about -5 degrees Celsius, but because of the wind, I'm really freezing. So let me get back to the car, which is that one, not the red one, the white one. Wow, not bad indeed. This is the Gooseneck bend or something like that. Maybe the San Juan River that flows around here, and it makes this beautiful bend beautiful to see. Really cold, I'm freezing so much, and I'm really happy that I got to fly the drone here a little bit. Although, well, with the lack of sun, the colors are still a little bit dull. Now we'll be driving for a few hours, and honestly I don't know when I'll be talking to you next, so see you later. Where we are going up. This is so awesome. I'm really enjoying this. I think Evelyn not so much.
Leave me alone, I'm enjoying it. I'm just thinking, why would Google send us through here?
Well, that was cute, wasn't it? Some cows on the road.
Licking the salt off the road.
So many hours on the road already. But now we are about to cross the Colorado River. Northeast of here is Canyonlands, southwest of here is Grand Canyon, and we are somewhere in the middle. So that was the Colorado River. Sorry, you couldn't really see it, but the landscape, just beautiful. And now, see you back at the hotel. Welcome to the Broken Spur Inn, and now it's finally getting sunny, as you can see by my completely white face. It's really cute here. This is, let me get into the shade. It's where we're staying, number 33. Reception is over there, and they do have breakfast. Yes. So you can see ours is the only car here. The good news is that the room does have a microwave. So this is the room again, more typical, 2 huge beds, microwave, fridge, TV, and a desk that I can work on. Yesterday I had to edit the video on the fucking couch without the table or using my mouse.
One thing
Yes,
that
tell us.
other hotels did not have. Complimentary water.
Complimentary water!
2 waters.
Yeah, so this was it for today. Not much happened, I know, but at least some nice drone footage. And tomorrow we are going to visit the Capitol Reef National Park, maybe do some hiking. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.